Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sheila, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. As you can tell by my title, what my video is going to be about, so if you're interested in my braces journey, then please stay tuned. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel and join Sheila's gang. And without further ado, y'all, let's hop right into this video. Okay guys, so today I'm just going to be talking to you guys about my braces journey and my trial and error with braces and just everything that you need to know. It's like a 101 braces course. So first and foremost, I've had my braces ever since December 29th, I think, 2016. It might not be the correct date, but I'll insert it on the screen when I got my braces, but I know it's 2016. It is now 2019. I've had my braces for going on 4 years now, y'all. Trial and error, literally. Do not believe them when they say that, oh, you don't have much longer in braces. That is a lie. It's always been a lie for me. Anyways, I got braces initially because I wanted to close my gaps. My gap was almost the same size that it is now here, but a little bit bigger, and I just wanted my teeth to be very straight and pretty, so I decided to get braces. And braces are expensive as hell. I'm sorry to cuss to the kids, but they're very expensive. If you do not have insurance, or if you do not have money to pay these out of pocket, then I would not recommend getting braces yet until you can fully afford them. Luckily for me, I was financially stable to get my braces and pay them out of pocket. Although I did have insurance, I did not let my insurance pay for it because my insurance wanted to wait until the next year for me to start my treatment. But I wanted to go ahead and start my treatment because I didn't know how long I was going to be working at that particular job at that time, so I just went ahead and got my braces. But I will say that I'm done paying for them, hallelujah. But braces are not what I thought they would be. So first off, when I first got them, I could not eat literally anything. I could not bite into anything. All I ate was like mashed potatoes. I tried to eat some chicken and I could not because it hurted so bad and my mouth was not used to it at all. So it like stayed sore for a while, and then I got used to them. Also, another thing about them is that like power chains are hell. Like, power chains are the devil. They're sent from the devil to like hurt you, to torture your teeth so that they can get straight. And also rubber bands are the devil, because if you don't wear them, then your teeth do not come together and get aligned and perfectly straight like the orthodontist wants them to. So make sure that you always wear your bands whenever they like give them to you. And also make sure you floss. Floss, 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 floss. And make sure you keep your teeth clean. And always go to your regular dentist to get your regular cleanings and to make sure you don't have any cavities or anything like that going on. But the reason that I have been in braces so long is because I got a teeth removed on my upper right hand side, which is closest to my where my wisdom tooth was before I got my wisdom teeth removed. I decided I wanted those teeth to be pushed forward so that that gap can go away. And the orthodontist that I went to at the time said that they could do it in 24 months. That's the kicker. But it's been trial and error. Right now, I am on this trying to get these teeth closed as quick as I can because I'm ready to get out of braces. Like, I love them. They were pretty while they lasted, but I think I want my teeth back because I like the braces. If my teeth were straight, it'll be a whole nother monologue. But my teeth are not straight. Well, they're straight for the most part, but my gap, I want it gone. And it seems like I've been had this little gap for years. And I'm like, how in the freak can it take this long to close a little gap? When somebody could have a big gap this big and it be closed in 6 to 7 months. But mine takes a while. So I'm kind of mad about that. So it's my kind of like trial and error with braces, because having them is a benefit because I want my teeth straight, but also having them is also like a loss because you're not benefiting from them if it's not working for you. Like, they're not closing, and I feel like, well, a lot of times I'm not in power chains, I'm in singles. So when they put singles in my mouth, they're just aligning my teeth. They're not pulling my teeth together. So power chains really pull your teeth together. That's what power chains are for, to pull the teeth together. They're supposed, when they're here, they're supposed to pull them together with the power chains. That's why they're so tight, and that's why they hurt so freaking bad. That's why when you get regular singles, it doesn't hurt that bad. You can eat anything that you want to eat right afterwards. But when you get power chains, honey, it's a different story. Also, I'm sorry, my hair is just, it's hurting still. It's like really, really tight. All in all, braces are really not that bad, but they're bad when, hey, your teeth are not moving as fast as you want them to move, or if you have to keep getting, like, if you keep getting things broken. Like when I first started, a lot of my stuff kept getting broken, and I don't know if it was because of how they positioned the bracket on my teeth, because it was always the one in the back that kept falling off. But thankfully it hasn't fell off, and I just pray that it doesn't fall off, because when it falls off, that slows your process down more. Because when it slows down, they have to make sure that that glue is tight enough to withstand power chain. Life is short, so if you want them, sis, or bruh, whoever you are, get those braces, because who don't want pretty teeth? I like pretty teeth, and I love to see people with pretty teeth. I'm just going to show you guys a couple of my products that I use personally for my braces journey, and you guys can let me know if you use them or what you use for your braces. I get a toothbrush every time that I go to my dentist. It was just a regular toothbrush, y'all. And I have a spin brush toothbrush as well, and I use those. And for my toothpaste, I use Colgate. I love Colgate. That's just my preference. You might like Crest, but I like Colgate. I use the Smart Foam most of the time, because this one is like the bomb.com to me, and I feel like it's a good foam around my teeth, and it makes my gums feel good. So I use Colgate Max Clean with whitening Smart Foam. You can pick this up at Walmart or wherever they sell Colgate. I'm pretty sure they have that product. Then next, y'all, I use this is a anti-cavity fluoride mouthwash. It's a mouthwash for braces. It's called Act. It has 0 alcohol in it, and this is just how it looks, y'all. Don't have much in here, but it's Act. If I can get my light to start showing. It's Act, but it's Braces Care, and like I said, it's an anti-cavity fluoride mouthwash. And on here it says it helps prevent white spots, which is a good thing, because a lot of times people get white spots with braces. So be prepared. But if you use this, it'll prevent it. It helps loosen particles. So when you floss with this, if something is really tough on your teeth, or like you have some meat that is stuck high in the and just stuck in there and you can't get to it, it loosens it up a little bit so you can get it out. It soothes with aloe, and it freshens breath. And it's clean mint. So yeah. And I use this one. And it says use twice a day after brushing your teeth with a toothpaste. So this is what I use, y'all. Again, it's called Act Braces Care. And this what I use to floss with. I also have different different mouthwashes, but that is my favorite one to use since I have braces. Then I have something that is very expensive, but I do recommend you get one if you haven't. It is the Water Pick water flosser right here, y'all. I got the ultra one. You can get these from, I think, any kind of store, I think, or you can order it offline. I got mine from Walmart, and I paid like $70, I think, $65, $70, something like that. But you get 6 tips included. It has 10 pressure settings. Is a 90 seconds of water capacity, and you have a 3-year. Let me see warranty on this one. And this one is the white one, and it's just a flosser that you can use, and I recommend this one. I really like it. It helps your gum like tremendously. So if you have trouble flossing, get you a Water Pick. It's expensive, but get you one. It'll save you tons of money, because buying flossers all the time can get really, really expensive, because I use these flosses. I'm going to show you guys one because I don't have the packet. I poured them all into like a little container. But I use the Orthopix. You can get these from Walmart right here. It's called Orthopic. And the reason why I like this Orthopic when I don't use my flosser, I might use both of them, depends on the day and the time and how much time I have. But I use these and it gets right behind my bracket. Some flossers don't. But this one does, and that's why I love this one. It's kind of slanted so that it can go right in, like right behind the bracket, and you can use it to like floss your teeth. Other than like using the regular floss when you have to make it go through the wire, go behind the wire. I can't stand that. So I just pick up these. These are a little bit more expensive to buy. You only get like 30 for like $2, and they go fast. But you can get these for your braces. And then sometimes I use a dental picks right here, y'all, to just get right in between the lines of my teeth. When it has something stuck there, it's just a deep clean. And it says it reduces tooth decay, removes plaque, fights bad breath, removes food. So these are good too. You can get the more expensive ones, but these are like the least expensive ones. I think I got these from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, check out Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree does have a bit of stuff that you can use for braces if you have them. But I mean, braces, like I said, can get very, very expensive, but all in all, a good investment to use. Also, another thing that I found out was I could eat bubblegum. Now, when I first started my treatment and you got the little packet and it's like, don't eat these, don't do this, don't chew gummy, don't chew chewy food, la 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 la. Don't eat something that is very hard like an apple, don't bite corn and all that. And I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna die. Because I love corn and I love corn on the cob and I love chewy stuff. I like bubblegum and I'm not gonna be eating it anymore. I'm not gonna be able to eat it anymore. But thankfully I am. I still be able to eat bubblegum. I love bubblegum. But one thing about bubblegum, it does move your wire. Your wire will move if it's not, like if your teeth are really shifting already. A lot of times when I chew it, it does. Now, when it does that, I'm sorry, y'all. When it does that, it makes my wire poke me in the jaw. So I try to limit my intake of bubblegum, and I don't really eat gooey, chewy stuff anyway, so I didn't have to worry about that. But corn on the cob, I still can eat it, though now I do not recommend eating it because I feel like it's not helping my process of braces anymore. So I just kind of disregard. I try to eat just the regular corn that is already, you know, in like a little container, or I get it from KFC and it's not on the cob. So that's really it about my braces. Like I said, they can be very, very expensive. So don't go out there swimming in the water if you can't swim. I'm just saying, don't get them just because, you know, get them because you want to fix your teeth. Don't get them just because somebody else has them, because let me tell you, sis, it's not fun. Like, it really hurts. And like I go for a tightening on November 1st, and I'm terrified because I know the shit is going to hurt. I know that I'm going to cry, and I know that I'm going to be like, oh my God, because I know that they're pulling my teeth together now and they're not stopping at no cost. They're trying to get them to go, like, get my teeth closed. So I know it's going to hurt, and I'm ready for it because I want my teeth closed. But yeah, like I said, they can be very expensive. They can hurt like I don't know what, but they can also be pretty. I decided to get the metal braces. You don't have to get the metal. You can get I think they have clear, they have Invisalign. They have all different types of braces. Look them up. They even have the gold ones now, which are super dope. I wish I could have got the gold ones, but oh well. They're super dope, like I said, though. The colors are, you get to choose your color, and I'll insert some pictures after this video is concluded of me with braces and the colors I chose and how my teeth have shifted over the years. I won't do one for every year, not one for every month, but I'll do a couple of pictures just so you guys can see. But yeah, like I said, very expensive. They can hurt like hell, and they can aggravate the living shit out of you. Especially a wire poking you, it's the devil. Or a bracket falling off while you are out to eat, maybe. I had one bracket fall off with me while I was home, and I was terrified because I thought my teeth were gonna fall the fuck out. I thought my teeth were gonna fall out, but they didn't, luckily. Scary. That was my most scariest time, was when my bracket fell off, and that was in the back of my mouth, and my wire poked me until I went to see my doctor, because a lot of orthodontists don't want you to come unless it's an emergency. And they was like, if it's a wire, you can try to cut it yourself, or you can try to pin it, or you can use wax. That's your friend. Wax is your friend, but a lot of orthodontists do not have the good wax. I don't even have any, guys. I don't even show you guys because I don't have any right now. But wax is your best friend when having braces, so make sure you keep that, you know. And also, just basically what you just need to do is make sure your teeth are flossed all the time. Make sure that you brush. Make sure that you take well good care of your teeth, and stay consistent. Like when you have rubber bands, make sure you wear them consistently, because that helps your teeth move along too. And just enjoy your braces. Again, this is my story on my braces and some of the things that I use for my braces to keep my teeth clean and healthy looking and all that, because my teeth do appear whiter, and I'm glad, because when I first started it was trial and error, but they look pretty good. And I'll show you guys my teeth up close. So I just got kind of a gap here, a little bit here and there, and then I have, of course, a small gap in the back where they're trying to close that big tooth. So guys, this basically just concludes my tutorial on my braces 101 story and my journey in my trial and error with braces. So if you enjoyed this video, y'all, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you ever had braces. What was your scariest time with braces? What are some tips and suggestions that I don't know that I can apply to my routine? Or leave it down for somebody else to see. And also subscribe to my channel, y'all. Thank you guys for getting me to 200 subscribers. I am thankful for it, and I hope that we can continue to grow on this platform together. But without further ado, y'all, I'm gonna end this video. Again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.